Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Nick, and I wanted to make this quick video for you, going over some details and inviting you to a special masterclass that I'm going to be holding, where I'm going to teach you how you can do overage deals tax-free. Okay, so pretty special stuff, and this is something that I have been personally experimenting with for the last year or so, and very excited with what I've been able to experience thus far and want to share it with you. Okay, so ultimately, what we're going to be covering in this masterclass is how can you take some of the profits that you're earning through your surplus funds and overage deals and turn them into tax-free savings. Okay, so I don't think I have to explain why that's important, but I'll just kind of go over a quick overview of why it might be important or why it might be interesting for you to learn this method, right? Um, because you don't have to pay as much taxes or any taxes on the deals that you are doing or the deals that you are going to do in the future. Now, depending on how much money you make from your job or from your other businesses, this could be very substantial. It could be very meaningful in the way in terms of savings and income and money that you keep in your pocket, right? So that's why this is important. Uh, so we're going to be going over the structure of how to create this, how to build this. Okay, it is a legal method. It's approved by the IRS. Okay. What's interesting though is that less than 10% of the population is using this to their advantage. Okay, which is surprising to me. And I'm surprised that more people don't do this. But at the end of the day, I'm not. And I'll share with you why in that masterclass. I'm going to teach you the step-by-step process of how to set up this tax-free structure. It is not very expensive, okay? It will cost you a few $100s, okay? Depending on the state that you live in, it's going to cost you anywhere between 1 to 400 on the higher end. Okay, so you do need a little bit of money to set this structure up. Okay, but that's it. You don't have to hire an attorney to do it for you. You could if you wanted to, but you don't have to. I'm going to show you how to do it yourself. Okay, uh, and if you want it done for you, great. You can get it done for you and pay someone to do it for you. That's fine as well. But I'm going to show you how to do it yourself. I'm going to show you the forms and the way that you need to structure your overage deals in order for this to work properly, okay? And in order to achieve tax-free gains from your surplus funds deals. Now, caveat here, if you have other businesses, maybe like another real estate business, maybe you do fix and flips or you buy property or any type of business where you're expending money, right? You can set this up for other businesses as well. It can apply to other industries, other niches, other businesses, not just overages. So this could be extremely beneficial for those of you who maybe have additional businesses apart from surplus funds and overages. Okay. So it could be very beneficial for those folks. Um, the other thing that this does is it allows you to charge more than what you're currently charging on your overage deals. It allows you to close more surplus funds deals because having this structure allows you to offer additional services in addition to just recovering money for people. Okay, so when you can offer more than your competition, that makes you more attractive to your prospective client, and you can close more deals and you can charge more because you're offering more than what the rest of the competition is doing. Okay, so that's another reason why this is important and why you may want to be there and learn this structure of how to do overage deals tax-free. Okay, I got ahead of myself. I already explained why it's important. Okay, at the end of the day, if you enjoy paying taxes, then you probably don't want to attend this class. Okay. But if you want to put more money in your pocket, you'll find this valuable. Okay. The other thing is This structure allows you to not only get paid today from your overage deals, but also get paid in the future from the deals that you do today. Okay, so that's essentially, it allows you to get paid twice from one overage deal, and that's important. Okay. Ultimately, because it's not well known, because the structure is not well used, as I mentioned previously, it's used by less than 10% of the population. This allows you to start moving into the minority, the wealthy minority of the population. Okay. And I don't know about you, but for me, I do not want to be, financially speaking, in the majority of the population. Okay. A lot of people struggle. A lot of people don't have savings. A lot of people don't have a great income. A lot of people don't have great investments. That does not interest me. Okay. I've been in that group. Okay. I come from that world of, I used to work at the prison 9 to 5, $16 an hour, graveyard shifts. I didn't like that. Okay. That's why I got into the business, so that I could control my income, control my investments, control my time. So this structure that I'm going to teach you will allow you to get closer into the wealthy minority and out of the masses. Okay, we don't want to be like the masses. Okay, ultimately, the structure too allows you to make small investments, which, when your investments are not subject to taxes, it has a greater compounding effect, and therefore you get better growth, better returns, and just better results overall. Okay. So I already mentioned about the other service, having this allows you to offer additional services, which give you a competitive advantage, which allows you to charge more, close more deals. Okay. This is great, guys, for whether you're a beginner just starting out in the business, or whether you are an experienced overage professional. It doesn't matter. Okay. If you're just looking to create extra wealth, put more in your pocket, keep more money, this is going to be very valuable and beneficial for you. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's what you're going to learn. It's going to be a live master class. So you're going to learn from me in a live format. It is going to be virtual this time around. So it's going to be delivered via Zoom. Okay. And when is it? It's going to be June 7th. Okay. So coming up fairly quickly next week. I believe that's a Friday, if I'm not mistaken. These are the times in which it will start. So we're going to start at noon Eastern time, which is 10 a.m. Mountain time, which is where I'm at, 11 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Pacific. You get the idea. Again, I'm going to deliver it via Zoom. We'll probably go a couple hours, maybe more, depending on Q&A. So there will be a live, you can ask me live Q&A questions afterwards. But plan on a minimum of 2 hours to get through everything. Okay. But 2 to 3 hours is how long it will probably last. Again, depending on the questions. If you would like to join, then just sign up using the button down below. You probably see it on the page already, but just, or go to overagesyndicate.com/tax free. Okay. If you're watching this on YouTube, I'll post a link down below. But you're probably watching this video on the actual web page where you sign up. So just scroll down a little bit on your computer or your phone, type in your info, and I will see you at the masterclass. Okay. If you have questions, which maybe I didn't address, you can email me, nick@overagesyndicate.com, questions about the masterclass. If you can't be there live, replays will be provided to those who sign up for the class. Okay. So if for whatever reason you can't make it live, but you still want to get the replays, great. Sign up below and we'll get you the replays. So guys, if you want to learn how to do tax overage deals tax-free, I look forward to seeing you in the masterclass. Thanks, guys. We'll talk to you soon.